Paano ulit?
Makalaswa. Ay.
Pag-umiyak mga puno, takara. That's a game.
Yan. Tamang tulak lang.
Bike de lakad.
So ito po yung cycling na may kasamang mountain climbing. Sobrang pataas talaga. Ay gosh.
Pwede ka na-cramps na ako.
Let's go baby.
Tapaak na nalilipat. Hindi ko lang.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Welcome to my guys.
Yo.
Baguio.
Ang baba ng pano pre?
Baba lang.
Baba lang.
So ayan. We're going to Oto to Fall. Foggy. Fall shit.
Picture mo to.
Kita niyo na. Bibinig yan balang araw. Yan po ang Amazon River. Nalipat na po sa... Saan tayo boss? Baguio? Baguio. Benguet. Benguet eh.
Yun no? Ano sa may bakas? Oo.
So nakikita niyo po yung Taal Falls.
Ito ano?
Saan tayo Kuya Gab?
Dito tayo sa kagubatan ng Tugao. Maghanap po tayo ng Itag. Baka biro mo.
Bike de lakad.
Binabaybay namin ang kahabaan ng Macapagal. Ayan. So kanina napakadaming biker sa Luneta. Pamimit ko na yung halfway nyo kay Kamatayan. So ngayon we're going to Tagaytay. Ayan. Saan tayo?
Batangas Port.
Let's go, let's go. Sa taas na po kami na ano. Galing doon kami.
I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue. But I'm
Uy, hindi ka naman sit. Pata mo yung kamay mo.
Camera?
Yung kamay mo.
May ayan.
it was nice to meet them.
What the difference?
Grabe. Hindi ka tayo sa leeg.
Wala, nakatawa.
To the city in a broke down car. 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby,
Yan, ginabi na kami.
you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder.
Yo, lumabot na kami ng gabi. Yo. Nakasalukuyo po namin, binabaybay ang Rojas Boulevard. Medyo ginabi na po kami ng pag-uwi. So, galing po kami sa Tagaytay.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. I stay. Play that Blink-182 song. Got the beat to get me to sing. Okay. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years in a hotel rocking. I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer.
Paano na kami? So, kasalukuyan po namin binabaybay ang kahabaan ng Espanya po.